I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Figma file and launching the Material Theme Builder plugin so you can work live. Collect the essential tokens: primary, secondary colors, typography scales, 1/2 spacing steps, and elevation levels, because these drive component behavior. Create a dedicated components page and apply base styles for colors, text styles, and effects. Once done, wire a simple token set to one component so you can preview changes immediately. This ensures changes propagate and saves rework later. Once the base is live, focus on building semantic tokens and mapping them to components so your theme scales. Define tokens for primary, secondary, background, surface, and error, and include contrast variants like 80% or 100% for states. This avoids manual color swaps. Map typographic styles across 12, 14, 16, and 20 sizes with weights and tracking. Use 16px as a base reference. Convert core UI elements, buttons, inputs, cards, into token-driven components and create clear variants. To finish, export your token set as JSON and import it into a staging Figma file. Validate both light and dark mode results so the theme behaves predictably. Run accessibility checks. Aim for 4. 5:1 contrast on body text and 3:1 for large text, and tweak color or weight if thresholds fail. If something breaks, a frequent fix is unlinking accidental local styles, rebinding those elements to the token set, and refreshing the plugin cache. This clears drift and restores consistent token-driven styling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.